Hey guys, hey travelers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jude. For flight bookings and inquiries, just message me in my messenger. For today's video, I will teach you once again how to create an account or register sa s-pass.ph. I already made a video tutorial about how to create an account in s-pass, pero para yun sa old na itsura ng s-pass. So, nag-update kasi sila, ito na yung bagong version. Okay, without further ado, simulan na natin. First, go to s-pass.ph and click register. And then, enter 10-digit contact number, no starting 0. Huwag mo nang isama yung 0, yung 10-digit na lang. And then, after that, pwede mo siyang i-copy and paste na lang. Login information, enter password. Password na gusto mo, yung madali mo lang matandaan. And then, confirm password. And click next. Personal details, enter your name. Middle name, okay na kung hindi na. Yung mga may asterisk na red lang, yung i-fill up mo. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede mo namang lagyan ng middle name. And then, male or female, and select region, province, municipality. And then, house number, street, barangay. Email address, age, client type, just select individual if you're an individual, and click next. Then, review your details. If everything is correct, just click I am not a robot and click submit. Okay, good job. Registration success. If you're traveling, generate your documents using this link or click the Are You Traveling? Okay, so now, mag-apply na tayo ng travel pass through permit. Click Apply Permit. Are you a poor from a government agency or essential traveler? No. Are you in SEQ, MSEQ area? No. Your current, your origin, and then your destination. And then after that, just generate your travel pass through permit. You may generate a TPP, click Generate Travel Pass through, select Filipino local workers, select Returning Resident or OFW depending kung anong type of traveler ka. Then your personal details, automatic na, your gender, and then enter date of departure and date of arrival. Origin, LGU, automatic na dito mag-reflect yung region, province, and municipality. Just enter your house, number, street, barangay. And same as destination, LGU, enter your house, street, and barangay. And then, mode of transportation, select air, if airplane, and then public. Additional travel details, optional lang yan. And then, government issued ID na meron ka, and then, government issued ID number. And choose file. Upload your valid ID. And check I am not robot and click submit. Your travel pass-through permit is now approved. You can print or screenshot and show it to the areas na may mga checkpoint, mga restricted areas para makarating ka sa unrestricted area. To check your travel permit, just click travel permit below here you can see your approved travel permit. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Kung may question ka, just comment down below this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye!